Hello, my name is Janis Dizoglu. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about the minimum, the maximum, and the average function. In this case, I'm going to use the payroll. I want to find out which one's the minimum wage that we're giving out, which one's the maximum wage that we're giving out, and what is the average wages that is coming out. So to get started, I'm just going to copy one of the cell formats there. In fact, I'm just going to copy both of these cells here because I'm lazy. I'm going to highlight them both and basically click and drag when the mouse cursor changes to a black cross. Just going to put here min wage, max wage, and average wage. Okay, I'm going to highlight them both, all three, and make them center line. Okay, this will do. So here I'm going to apply the minimum function. So I'm going to click on the function, scroll down, click, make sure you select all. If you don't see this on the most recently used, if your minimum, the maximum, and the average functions are not there, you need to select the all, and then you need to search them from here. So I'm just going to click on most recently used. I need to select the minimum, click OK, and with the number 1 selected, I'm just going to click on the letter P here to highlight the whole column. Click OK. The next one I need to do is the maximum function. Now, for the maximum function, because I'm lazy, I'm just going to copy the formula here. Copy. I'm going to press the escape key on my keyboard. If I do not press the escape key on my keyboard, it thinks that I'm going to continue with the function. Have a look here. So it's basically doing this. So I'm just going to press the escape key on my keyboard, click on the max wage cell, right click and paste, and the only thing I need to do is change the min to max. Press the enter key, so that's my maximum number, and I want the average as well. So I'm just gonna, again, I could actually select the cell, go to the function, and add an average function. Click OK, and click on the letter P, column, click OK. So I've got the average, or I could actually highlight this, paste, and replace the word min to average. And as I start typing average, it's coming up. So just double click, press the enter key, and that's my average. I can highlight now the cells. I can actually convert them to currency. And from accounting, I could actually change them to just currency here. Okay. So this is how you find which one is the minimum wage that is coming out from the company. This is the maximum wage that's coming out, and this is the average wage that's coming out. Hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will be able to apply these new skills onto your project. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.